Some call them chitterlings. We call them chitlins.
Go taste and see, go taste and see.
Hey guys, welcome to Go Taste and See. My name is Jennifer. I'm your host. Guys, today I am at a soul food restaurant located in the southwest quadrant of Las Vegas. The name of this restaurant, it is called Soul Food Cafe, and it's located basically on West Warm Springs and South Rainbow in that plaza. And guys, I am here for one reason and one reason only, and that is for their chitlins. Okay, so here they are. So when you place your order, I believe they come in 3 sizes. This is the second size, and yeah, you could pretty much take them to go, but I am going to have a taste of them right here so that you can see what they look like. Okay, take a look. Cheers. Cheers. Yes, they are chitlins. Okay guys, so there you have it. Guys, if you want chitlins and you're here in the city of Las Vegas, Soul Food Cafe, they can fill that order for you. Guys, thank you so very much for watching. Guys, if you like this type of content, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys at the next spot. Bye-bye.